Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's localize your contact list. Find it through the dialer, for example. Just tap on Home, tap on the three bars icon and tap on Contacts. Let me quickly use the password. It's not normal. If it is not blocked, then you will not have to enter your screen lock to confirm. Now we've got our contact list. So let's localize the contact which we would like to customize. So let me choose maybe this risky one. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. I mean this pencil icon in the middle. And now we can either choose the picture or calling card. I will focus on the picture. However, I highly recommend to also customize the calling card so you can make it more your, let's say. So let's tap on picture. It is on the left. And here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So we can open our gallery and choose our own photo. Or we can tap on the camera and your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Here Google Photos, so basically your backed up photos. Monogram, so we can use 1 or 2 letters max. You can change the background color, you can also change the fonts. Also, instead of the letters, you can use emojis. Just tap on the emoji, and here we've got well, plenty of options to choose from. So we can tap on the specific one, it will be applied. Again, we can change the background color, and we can also use this option monochrome. And basically, it means that normally you will have this emoji, but after choosing it, your device will make it more icon-like. So it's up to you which option you prefer. And we've got also illustrations here, which are free of charge and they are available online. And I highly recommend to check those options because they are really pretty and really fun to use. I'll pick maybe this cat. So, all right, so after tapping on it, you can choose the preset, so you can change the colors of the photo of this illustration. You can also crop the picture, not only this illustration, but also your own photo, etc. So you can zoom it in or out, you can change the position of it, and thanks to it, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Then tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.